Hey y'all, it's Susan. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Pooh. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And this is Vlogmas Day 5. So we late, but we still gonna do it anyway. So I noticed when I put my hair up in a bun, it keeps my same curl pattern without having to add any product, and I like it. So I didn't do a salad with it, but if I were to do one, I'll use the Garnier Fructis curl cream. It's like in a little cream. I'm gonna add the picture. I really like the stylers. I'll use that for like a twist out or something. Hey y'all, so today I'm trying the Garnier Fructis Wholebends Coconut Water Conditioner. So the shampoo and conditioner. So the shampoo had more not more slip, but it wasn't as thick as the conditioner. As you can see, I'm kind of surprised at how much it lathered up really quick. So it does have sulfates in it, but it is paraben free. So that's good. Sulfates aren't bad when using moderation, so I really don't mind it. But look at all that lather. As you can see, like I'm shook. Honestly, I was really surprised it lathered up fast. So next you'll see me just rinsing it out. It didn't take as long as I thought it would be. So now I'm going up the conditioner, and as you can see, like, it's very thick, like thicker than I expected it to be. But it was like a nice feel. Like for conditioners, I like it to have some slip. It really didn't have none, but it was thick, and I like thick conditioners. So like I felt like my hair was actually getting really moisturized and hydrated from it. So I should have used a lot more than what I did. So that's my fault. But I actually liked it, and the smell is amazing. Like, I like coconuts. As you can see, I'm showing y'all the conditioner again and how it comes out. And if you watched one of my previous videos before, you'll recognize the hair mayonnaise that I'm going in with. Like, oh my goodness, I fell in love with it, and like it's gonna be a staple product in my hair. As I haven't used a deep conditioner in a minute, so to find one that I actually like and that's under $5, like, you can't beat it, honestly. And I like to sit in my hair for 10 minutes.